Welcome to this NMP flight video tutorial. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to cancel and refile a flight plan. I'll take the flight British Airways 5 Lima India with an EOBT of 1410 and I will cancel and refile with an EOBT of 1400. The first step is to click on the aircraft ID hyperlink to open the flight management. Once the flight management is open, I click on the Send Cancel and then Yes. Then I have the option to copy the flight plan to my flight planning system or use the NMP Flight Management Editor to refile the flight plan. So I will select the second option, which opens a new tab with the free text editor pre-filled with the flight plan. I need to change the EOBT to the new time 1400 and then click on the validate button to check the EOBT is okay, and then the file to IFPS. I confirm I want to file it to IFPS and I'm shown an acknowledgement message from IFPS, and if I want to see that flight in an ETFMS flight list, I click on the hyperlink above the acknowledgement, and that opens a new tab with my flight shown. I'm going to close that new tab and the free text editor tab, close the third pane in my flight list and refresh it, and the British Airways 5 Lima India is now in the list with a EOBT of 1400. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.